Going on the Mickey slide. Just now 9:30 and the pool is already crazy packed. Every seat is already taken. It is the day at sea. So this is part of the fun of a day at sea. We get breakfast. There it is. There it is. The kids have a bite and then they run to the slide. Look at the beautiful view. The mammal known as the Kelly has come back to grab another snack, sustenance, to head out to the water park. As we watch in the distance, he grabs a piece of watermelon, acknowledges the camera, and then he's off again to play. Where would he go this time? Oh, it looks like it's the Mickey slide. As he spits out a seed on the way up.
Did he really?
No! Oh, yeah, now I'm embarrassed. I think that's really cool.
Yeah, one thing on the Dream and the Fantasies, they have these crazy mosaics all over the place like this one. They're really cool.
Yeah, it was really pretty. That makes for a great photo opportunity. Kelly got some goodies in his fish extender bag. And he found a little cubby spot to work on them. They have the princess gathering going on right now. Hunter didn't want to do it this time, but she did want to go see Anna and Elsa. So that's what we're going to do right now. We have entered Arendelle.
Well, actually the North Mountain.
Look at all the snowflakes and castle. And there is Anna and Elsa.
We're actually in the North Mountain.
We're in the North Mountain.
Oh, there's the village.
Oh yeah. Very pretty. Oh, look at that whole family. That's cute. So you excited to meet Anna and Elsa again? Yeah, and this time you have your autograph book. Did you get an autograph last time in your book? I don't think you did.
I don't think I did in this one.
Yeah.
You know I got...
Jagger, over here.
Let me look.
Do have a nice smile.
Doesn't look like it, huh?
Preview.
I love your shirt.
Jody in front?
Thank you. Oh my goodness, Olaf surfing. That was kind of the sight to see. His arms aren't quite long enough to reach around the board. So he ended up body surfing instead. Quite silly. It was very silly. And then his head fell off. But we rebuilt it. Oh yes. That's what's good about having ice
You could hear, let me
I
see.
can hear her going like this.
Oh yeah, because she does. Look at her autograph, because she does
Snowflakes.
snowflakes everywhere, huh? Can you see
This
it?
is what she
It's kind of
does.
wiggly and dark. You make the snowflakes just like her, huh?
I scream, you scream, we all scream.
Yep. All scream for ice cream.
I scream, you scream,
I love the decorations here. Look at the seashells. And the sand dollar for the sand decorations. Do you see Disneyland Paris and Disneyland and Walt Disney World? Very cool. And then one of my favorites is this mosaic tile over here. That is Little Mermaid, or Finding Nemo. I said Little Mermaid. Finding Nemo, right?
Oh, there's this fish. That fish was at the dinner last night.
Yeah, and there's Marlin and Nemo. And Squirt. Squirt.
Squirt.
And there's Nemo and Marlin again. And there's all the
Kids.
aquarium ones. Oh yeah. Kids in school, you're right.
Then
So the ones in
Dory.
the aquarium, but you're in.
Dory. And
Oh.
Squirt.
I don't know guys, this is the life. Ice cream by the sea.
The Big Blue.
That big
What's it like? It's big.
blue. How's that ice cream, kid?
Seriously though, look how blue that water is. It's
It
a
is.
ridiculous color.
Look way down there. It's awesome down there.
Oh no.
It's a pretty shade of blue.
The kids are back in children programming, so we are going to one of their activities. This one's actually at the Buena Vista Theater, which is kind of cool. It's a behind the scenes with a gentleman named Grant Norman, and he was the Phantom in The Phantom of the Opera, which is Tim's favorite show of like all time. So when I saw that on the Navigator, I'm like, oh, we need to go. So that's what we're doing now.
So you're wondering, let's see, Disney theatrical productions in Phantom of the Opera. I didn't know Disney. Well, actually, Disney didn't produce Phantom of the Opera, but Cameron Mackintosh did, and that whole company is based out of London, and there was a lot of musicals that came from that time. Les Mis, Miss Saigon, Phantom, you know, it was in the 80s, all these mega musicals came, and then put on the prosthetic pieces, and then paint all the prosthetic pieces. But they got smart, and not that they weren't smart in the beginning, but they realized how to do it in a more efficient way. They ended up pre-painting the prosthetic pieces eventually. So they would have sort of a mold of the head, and they put the prosthetic pieces on and pre-paint them. So they put the bone cap on, and as they were applying the prosthetic pieces, they were already pre-painted. So they lost about 20 minutes or 25 minutes of time just in that. And so prosthetic pieces go on. Really had in mind this other gentleman to play the Phantom. In fact, he showed up to the audition in full makeup. He had the tuxedo on and the full makeup with the slicked hair and the mask. And me, I just came in my clothes and sang. But, you know, it's just one of those turns of fate that he decided that gentleman wasn't quite ready to go. But that's when I got the call to go over and take over the national tour at that time as the Phantom.
Is this the second or third time you've done this today?
Okay, folks, the detective trainer Susan will now explain how to
Kelly
help.
really likes the midship
We
detective
will be
agency.
issuing you a high-tech detective badge.
Oh, you're doing the Muppet one
We
this
already know
time?
how to do it, Kelly.
Your team will share one badge. To use it, you will need to face the black and white pattern
All right.
towards the
There you
center
go.
of the
Come on,
screen.
you. Hunter and I have some time. Girl time. I love this part where you can steer the ship.
Crash!
Head over to the gold. Baby.
I'm doing a donut. Look, a donut.
It's showtime. So tonight we are at the show. Tonight is Wishes. It's about 3 teenagers who are discovering, you know, all the things that they're missing out on, and having one last night together.
Tonight dinner is at Enchanted Garden. I love this restaurant.
I'm not a big fan of the menu tonight.
Oh, really? I didn't see the menu yet.
What to order for my main dish?
Really? about the Tinkerbell is right here.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Laugh in your face? I can't do this. So we're here at Enchanted Garden for dinner tonight, and I thought since we had a few minutes, we're kind of tucked away in the corner, which is nice, so it's quiet over here. I thought I'd ask, what is your favorite thing that we did tonight? Do you have a favorite?
Nope, sadly not today.
No, not today. You did tons of stuff today. You don't have a favorite? No. For me personally, I loved going to listen to the guy that was the Phantom in the Phantom of the Opera, and hearing him sing. Yeah, that's something that we did when you were at children programming. It was amazing. So for me, I think that was the highlight, and I love that about the longer cruises with Disney. The longer cruises you have, they have these behind-the-scenes activities, which are amazing. Like you can go behind the galley one day, you can go like the art of the theming and see kind of where the hidden Mickeys are in the carpets and things like that. But I love that about the Disney cruise. So for me, seeing that behind-the-scenes, actor and hearing his story was amazing.
And
thought about yours?
That I'm doing all of the Mickey's Midship Detective Agency.
You did like 2 of the Midship Detective Agency plots, detective things.
Now I'm doing 3 more.
You're doing 3 more?
Which is awesome.
Which is great because every time they do it, it's a completely different situation, which is pretty cool. So, how about you? Did you have?
Yeah, my favorite for the day was the same as Allison's. I loved the Phantom of the Opera. I saw it in 1989 in the West End in London at Her Majesty's Theatre. I've seen it since as the traveling show. And it was just really cool to see him. It literally gave me chills when he sang Music of the Night for us. It was just unbelievable. I can't wait to see him on Thursday again because now he is the Beast in Beauty and the Beast on Broadway, and he's going to talk about that.
I got the lobster ravioli. Look at that. That looks so good.
Thank you. This is one of my favorites. This is the avocado ahi tuna tower.
Oh yeah, you get that everywhere.
Yep.
That's a good one.
Yep, it's one of my favorites.
I have to say you didn't order
Escargot.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, they changed the recipe. It's
So
not
you're
as good anymore.
not. Try something different then, huh? Kelly's kids meal, of course, the ketchup liqueurs. And then Tim and I got the prime rib. That looks amazing.
Horseradish.
That looks
Yes, please.
so good. Of course, even though we're super stuffed, had to get dessert. And I love their strawberry cheesecake. It's so good. And then Tim took the recommendation of our server.
It started before you videoed, I'm
That's
sorry.
okay, you're super hungry. You know, it's dessert. And what is yours?
Silky dark chocolate mousse.
Silky dark chocolate mousse.
And it is silky dark.
And then we also have some little treats from the pastry chef. That looks good. This one, I've had the little jelly ones before. They're actually pretty good.
You have?
Mm-hmm.
Where did we have that?